Turn your idea to App Store in minutes. Let's see how easy it is to build a business app using the Appy AI app generator. First, open your browser and go to appypie.com. Here, simply write a prompt based on your business needs. For example, create a mobile app for my Italian restaurant business. After submitting your prompt, you'll be asked to register to the platform. Just sign up or log in, and you're ready to continue. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now, the Appy AI app generator asks you a few simple questions: the name of your business app, how you plan to use Appy, and how many employees work in your organization. These details help the AI build the right app for you. Once you provide the information, the AI app generator gets to work. Behind the scenes, it automatically starts generating your app. In just a few moments, boom. Your business app is ready in less than a minute. You can now see your app structure, pages, and features right on your screen. Want to make changes? It's simple. Just click on any section or any app page. An AIEdit pop-up appears. Describe what you want to change, and the Appy AI app generator updates it instantly. No code, no complex steps. Just simple edits with AI. Once you're satisfied with the look of your app, click the Save button. A pop-up box appears, giving you multiple options. You can test your app instantly by scanning the QR code on your mobile device. And when you're ready, you can publish your app directly to the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store from the same pop-up. That's it. With the Appy AI app generator, building and launching a business app is fast, simple, and powerful.